Want to create your OKX account in just a few minutes and unlock exclusive rewards? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to sign up, complete your KYC step-by-step, and use referral code bonus999 to get special perks. OKX is one of the world's most trusted crypto exchanges. With hundreds of trading pairs, futures, options, and DeFi tools, whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, OKX offers powerful features and industry-leading security to help you trade with confidence. Here's why you should register with referral code bonus99 and complete KYC today. Unlock referral rewards, fee discounts, and newcomer bonuses. Raise your deposit and withdrawal limits. Gain access to fiat deposit and withdrawal options where available. Fully secure your account and protect your funds. Here's how to create your OKX account. Click the sign up link in the description. Select your country or region. Enter your email or phone number and create a strong password. Enter referral code bonus999 in the invitation field. Verify your email or phone number with the code sent to you. Accept the terms and conditions. That's it, your OKX account is now active. Next, let's verify your account with KYC. Log in and go to your profile gives verification. Enter your basic details like full name, date of birth, and country of residence. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID or passport, both front and back. Take a selfie or complete the liveness check for facial recognition. If required, upload proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Submit your documents and wait. Most verifications are approved within a few minutes, though proof of address may take longer. Once approved, your account will be fully unlocked with higher limits and complete access to OKX features. Without referral code bonus999, you miss out on bonus rewards and fee discounts. Without KYC, your account stays restricted, smaller withdrawal limits, no fiat access, and fewer features. With both, you unlock the full OKX experience. Make sure your ID photos are clear and not expired. Good lighting and sharp images make verification faster. If your KYC is rejected, check the reason, fix it, and submit again. Don't wait. Click the sign up link in the description, register with referral code bonus999, and complete your KYC today. Unlock rewards, fee discounts, and full OKX access right now. Thanks for watching this OKX sign up tutorial. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your crypto journey starts today. See you on OKX with referral code bonus999.